y'all, so I'm just sitting outside. I'm dog sitting, and I'm trying to get this dog, get all his energy out of him. Little Bruno, he's a Chihuahua, and he's very energetic. And it's really dark out here. We need to put some landscape lighting in the back. We have some in the front. Anyway, I thought that I would sing a little bit. So I'm going to sing a song. Well, yeah, what else would I sing, right? So here we go. It's kind of old school. So are you ready? That certain night, the night we met, there were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.